Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to block a program from accessing the internet on Windows 11 or 10. So let's start the guide, latest guide. So just you need to search here Defender, and once you search here the Defender, open this Windows Defender Security and Advanced Settings. You can open it simply. Additionally, you can press Windows plus R, type here firewall.cpl, press the OK key, and from this list you need to click on allow this option. Note this advanced options from here. Now same kind of window you should able to get this one. Now once you are on this page, so let's close the previous one. You need to create an outbound rule in order to block the internet access for particular app. Click on outbound rule, then create a new rule, and then select leave as program, then click on next. Now you need to select the path of its exe. Let's click on this PC, C drive, and you need to choose the program. This is the location, program files, and let's assume that you don't want to Oracle VM VirtualBox, and now you need to look for its exe. Its exe is showing up here, then click on open. Now this is selected, then click on next. Block the connection, next. Everything leave default, next. Oracle block connection. Additional information, that is up to you, whatever you name it, then click on finish. And now you can see we have successfully created the rule to block the internet connection for this particular. Let's say you want to choose another software. For that, go to the same location and go back once, and let's create for rule for this software components, and you need to look its exe. Its exe is showing up here, then click on open and finish. Block connection, next, and name it block, then click on finish. And now we have successfully made a two rule to block the internet connection for this program only. But if you want to delete it, you can just right click on it and simply disable or delete it, and you can even disable it, and thereafter you can re-enable it. And if you want to delete it, just delete them, yes, and also delete them. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.